This video will provide various ways you can contact the Department of Economic Opportunity for help with your reemployment assistance claim. Reemployment assistance is just Florida's way of saying unemployment compensation. To contact DEO through their online contact form, go to their website at floridajobs.org and choose Reemployment Assistance Resources. Then choose the Reemployment Assistance Help Center option. Complete the form based on your question. You can also start an online chat with DEO. Go to their website at floridajobs.org and choose Reemployment Assistance Resources. Then choose Chat with Us. Follow the directions in the chat box. You can call the Reemployment Assistance Customer Service Center at 833-352-7759 or 850-245-7105. Also, DEO offers special assistance to people who do not speak English as their primary language and those who have a limited ability to read, speak, write, or understand English. They also provide special assistance to people who need help filing a claim online because of legal reasons, computer illiteracy, language barriers, or disabilities. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. We hope that you have found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.